By the way, I saw Nikki's Insta story. She went to Paris.
Really? I heard the rumor that she went holiday with her boyfriend, but I didn't knew that was true.
That's true. She went 3 days ago.
Oh, how lucky she is. I wanna go there too. Speaking of Nikki, I heard you wanna move to other country.
Yeah, I got a scholarship to Korea.
That's great. I'm happy for you. Congrats for getting a scholarship to Korea, V.
Thanks. I hope that I can adapt well.
I agree. You have to find a lot of friends and experiences. This is a rare chance that everyone can always get it.
Yeah, so how about you?
I got into university in Solo. The university is great, but I wish I had a scholarship to other country too.
That's okay, Chen. No need to be sad. That was great too. I'm sure you still have another chance.
Yeah, I hope so. You'll visit, right?
Of course.
But, I really hope we can meet again. Not here, but in Korea.
Yeah, I'll wait.
Looks like our food is coming.
Yay!